So for this one here, so wipe out ko lang yung excess paint, and then just a little bit of this brown. Mamansyahin ko na lang tong highlight na to, just to tone down the color. Okay. So now I can move on here. So I'm getting now this olive green mixture kanina na minix natin. And I'm just going to try out here. I think it's too much, it's too greenish, so I'm just going to add a little bit of this ochre. Tuloy ko na lang. So dadaanan ko na rin tong previous pass nitong dark brown yung minansya natin, just to blend with the olive green color. I can also add this with the dark brown. Para may konting mas darker na konti. So may pagka semi opaque na siya.
So yan yung burnt umber? Hindi pa.
Alin?
Yung third na, yung dark brown, yung pa rin.
Ito.
Yung Viridian.
Ito, yung dark brown na to.
Ah.
Ayan. So I'm just going to continue here. Okay, medyo lalaitan ko lang ulit with the olive green. So, dagdagan ko lang ng konti nitong reddish brown para may konting value. May darks tayo. Now, for the remaining pattern, just get this olive green, and then mix ko lang ng itong chrome yellow, or this yellow orange mixture. Oops, masyadong greenish pa rin. Tapo na natin ito. Masyadong naparami yung ochre, yung olive green ko, so I'll just get more of this chrome yellow and little little of this olive. So, mas prominent dapat yung yellow. So, as much as possible, I want to remain this pattern to be seen para on the third pass, I know where the exact location of this pattern. So for now, just kukoveran ko lang siya this color. Then for a darker value, I just add this red brown mixture. And of course, softly blend everything. Try to look for hints of darks. And I can still see the patterns, so okay lang yun. Now, yung mga patterns na dito above here, later na lang yan. Okay? On the details or in the third pass. Okay, so I think we're done now for the skirt and shirt. We'll proceed now with the flesh tone. Clear ko lang yan.
Parang hindi ako makapaniwalang photo yan. Kasi yung mga limbs niya, hindi proportional.
Talaga ba?
Parang exaggerated, no?
Baka ini-AI yan.
Parang monkey. Nakulit ko ginawa yan.
Ay, pareho tayo. Ngayon nga po, pagdating ko pa doktor ko pa yan.
Napapanood niyo ba yung match? Yung monkey na baby?
Ah, yung ano, yung may
meron-
sapo. Ay, oo,
Eh,
pinakita sa akin
pinapanood,
eh.
yun ang pinapanood. Sabi ko siguro kaya ang monkey. Cute mo.
Pinakita sa akin ni Bella. Nag-viral daw.
Hanggang ngayon.
Okay. So I'm going to mix first a basic flesh. So I'll just get this yellow ochre mixed with viridian. So it's a 1:1 ratio. And then a little bit of white. Yan. Masyadong orange. So, dagdagan pa natin ng yellow ochre. And dagdagan natin ng konting white.
Sir Alex, di ba naglagay ka orange?
Viridian.
Viridian,
Orange.
right? Viridian orange.
Ah, sorry. Vermilion pala. Vermilion.
Ayun, kaya pala.
Nalilito na ako. Vermilion pala, sorry. So, yellow ochre, vermilion, and white. Ayan.
Sabi ko parang walang tinge yung green eh.
Ano nga yun? Tsaka skin.
Okay, so ito yung results niya. Okay. Pero this shade of flesh medyo plastic.
Correct.
Medyo plasticky ang dating. So ilelesen natin yung chroma by adding a little bit of this umber, dark umber. Itong basic flesh, ito rin yung ginamit ko dun sa kamay. Yung ito. Yan din yun. Yan. So, ano siya? Okay. And then, kaya tayo. I'll get this flesh mixture. Hahaluan ko nitong red brown, the one that we use for this color. So we can have a darker
Para sa kado.
shade ng flesh.
Yung unang-unang.
Lagyan ng dark brown.
Burnt umber, right?
Hindi yung mixture ng brown. Yung ginawa sa shadow.
Ah, okay.
Yung cerulean.
Okay, okay. Yung may alizarin.
Yes.
Walang alizarin.
Meron.
Yung cerulean.
Walang
Hmm?
cerulean yan.
Ah, yung
This
ano,
one, this one,
yung-
this one.
Oo,
Yung
yung
ano sa
brownish.
skirt.
Oo,
Ah, skirt,
ganito.
skirt, skirt.
May alizarin yan eh.
Yeah. Alizarin and umber.
Parang pink. Parang mauve.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yan. So, two colors lang. One dark, one light. So, linis muna ako ng brush.
Tapos mag-break time na natin. Tapos tas yan.
Natatapos na nga eh.
Kung hari yung ginawa natin today.
So, I'll get this dark flesh color. Konting alizarin. And then more of this umber.
Yung yellow sa skirt. Parang nagpapalay na kado.
Dahil
Okay.
sa other thing.
Important.
So, dito muna tayo start.
Kailangan tagalin.
Sa pinaka-dark area ng arm.
Parang kahawig nun sa skirt, no?
Medyo slightly lighter.
Slightly lighter.
Kasi nga may present na of flesh.
Oo.
Then here.
Meron pala siyang profile, no?
Actually may tenga pa nga siya dito na
Diyan ako
nakikita
yung
eh.
meron.
Anyway.
Bukas ng canvas.
Just keep adding.
Goal.
So,
So, chineso po ulit.
Talaga? Appreciate ko. Nakakawa.
Yun lang yung place na sana bukas.
so I'm still using the same color. Dinadagdagan ko na lang ng olive green. Kasi merong somewhere here. Kasi nag-iiba na yung shade eh. Kasi nga with the
Light.
different rays of light here. So dito medyo greenish yung kamay niya dito. So, i-ano ko na lang, i-one shape ko na lang ito. Saka na muna yung mga fingers na yan. So, okay. Take this a little bit more here. Okay, close na natin itong area to. And I'm just going to add a little bit of this flesh and more of this olive green para dito sa kabila. Oops, masyadong ano. Lagyan pa natin ng green. Ayan. So, nasa kabilang side siya, so mas lighter siya compared to this one. And I guess dagdagan na rin natin dito. So this is a semi-opaque glaze now. So anyway, on the next layer, ida-darken pa natin to. But for now, let's just use this one. So I'm,
The lights.
yeah. Still with the same mixture. Dagdagan ko lang na itong basic flesh to make it lighter. Para dito na sa... Ayan.
Hindi na rin pinunasan nila.
Hindi na. And while it's still wet, pwede mong i-drag to blend it with the greenish mixture. Ayan. Ayan. Gamitin na natin siya dito sa cheek to finish it off. Saka na yung details niya with the ear. So, and now for the feet. Okay. I still have this flesh mixture ginamit natin dito. Pwede ko na siyang gamitin here. Okay. And then, so magiging darker na siya over here. So I'm just adding a little bit of this brown or this dark flesh.
Madumi pa ano.
And a little bit of this green. Okay, let's see if it's masyado pang light. Dagdagan natin ng red brown, the one that we use here, to darken it. Okay, I think that would work. Yan, so basic ano lang muna tayo, shapes of areas of paint, and then a little bit of blending. Okay, so pwede tayo lumipat sa kabila using that same color. Nadagdagan lang natin ng konting poker since may pagka-orangey or may pagka-poker ang dating niya. I wouldn't worry muna about the toes. I'm just coloring everything muna. Okay. And then slightly darker with this brown mixture. Okay. Now, kung gusto nyo lagyan pa ng details with the toes, or na.
Si ano kasi, si Julie gagawin kasi.
Dinagdagan ko lang ng konting flesh para mag-lighten lang yung kulay. Then you can just use the tip to indicate the toes. So is that just konting hints lang naman. Yan. Okay, and then we finish it off with the hair. Ibayin ko na lang yung brush. I still have this small one. Now for the hair, pwede natin gamitin itong brown dito, pero dagdagan pa natin na pero this time i-darken na natin ng black. Konting black lang, just to darken.
So, ba't hindi ultramarine?
Pwede rin naman, but since pwede, or sana if you could mix your own substitute black instead of pure black, pwede naman.
Amber and ultramarine.
Yes, pwede naman yun. If you don't want to use black. But for convenient purposes only, pwede naman yung black. So I'm just going to establish the darks here. Medyo tricky lang siya kasi natatamaan ng
Ilaw.
rays of light. So ang gagawin ko, iiwasan ko muna yung kung saan tumatama yung ilaw. So, okay, so the next one here medyo lighter na yan. So, I'm still looking for other areas na may ka-dark. Actually, this one is too dark, so I'm just going to add a little bit of this light cerulean or light aqua mixture to tone it down a bit. And then just follow the okay. And keep add more of this light blue. And wala yung ano. So I'll just add little bit of brown, burnt umber to kill that blue tone. Okay. Then as you progress, wipe off the excess paint, add a little bit of this brown. I'm not sure kung may buhok siya dito eh.
Parang ano.
Parang no. Anyway, just going to indicate na lang yung shape na lang.
Di ba pumapak sa akin?
Okay, I'm using this darker flesh mixture kanina to continue with the hair. Anyway, the next pass naman will fix the details of that. And lighter tone. So you just add this flesh to the mixture so you can have a different tone here. Coming from that ray of light here. Actually, hindi ako sure kung may bandana ba siya or...
Parang tinamaan lang ng...
Oh, tinamaan lang ng ilaw eh. Pero,
So, buhok siya.
so just making a lighter version na lang siguro. Trying to make it
Bali sir, flesh, brown, and white yan.
mm, may halo din naman, no? Itong blue na to. And then just blend na lang. Hindi masyadong sharp yung details.
Ang ganda.
Keep adding those layers. Okay. Yeah, so that's it for her. We can move on to the next objects. Questions so far?
Sir, ano ulit mixture ng blue mo? Cerulean blue eh.
Ito? So meron akong special color, cerulean blue. Tapos dinagdagan ko ng konting white. Tapos konting viridian green. So parang parang siyang Tiffany blue na darker. Ngayon kung gusto ko pa siyang i-darken, dinagdagan ko pa lang ng viridian green. Para makuha ko to.
Ano siyang turquoise?
Yes, turquoise.
Ganda,
Dark
diba?
turquoise.
Tanong ko ulit. Naging tanong ka na po.
Record eh.
Para lang.
Para,
Hindi, sa third layer naman i-indicate ko naman to eh. Sa video. So yun pa rin gagamitin kong kulay. Okay. So,
Kasi sa kulay pa lang, gandang-ganda na ako. Natigil nga yung gagawin ko.
Sir, anong replacement, substitute for vermilion? For vermilion.
vermilion,
Pwedeng red
light.
light.
Cadmium red light. Pwede. Basta may pagka-hint of red-orange. Parang gano'n.
Pinch patingin mo.
Okay.
Wala ba sa Pebeo?
Wala kami vermilion. Meron
O,
kaming
ano yung
magenta.
orange na may pagka-dark? Or red-orange
Red.
na
Red
kamukha? Yeah.
Ito, di ba?
Anyo light
Ano yan?
red.
Hindi ko
Rembrandt to eh.
Uy, dumating na, babe.
Hindi na.
Magkano to?
Yan.
Yung set?
Sa Amazon to. Check-in kasi.
Artist grade na yan.
Oh, super. Ang maganda sa Rembrandt, ano, consistency niya. Hindi siya tumitigas.
So
Ito,
ito,
Canyon. Ito, pwede to. This is
Pwede.
considered as vermilion. Okay.
Tapos yung ano ko, yung kulay ko hindi lumabas na ganyan.
Ha?
Tapos yung kulay na mixture ko hindi lumabas na ganyan, frustrate ako. Ang ganda talaga yun.
Hindi, I think meron ka na yata eh. Ito. Ngayon sa Royal Blue.
Kay Pinky.
Kay yan.
Hindi, meron nga.
Meron ka sa Royal. Ayun, basta may sa Royal ka.
Turquoise na ako.
Yun pala eh, dagdagan mo na ng Viridian para mag-darken. Oh, yun yun. Okay, so next. I can see
Bigyan sana kita kaso bata.
different browns.
ayun. So yan.
Yan.
Medyo madumi. Now for this area here, almost the same siya with this color. So, ubos na yung mixture ko. So, mix ulit tayo. Alizarin, burnt umber, and hint of ultramarine blue. Oops. Dagdagan pa natin ng konting ultramarine. Ayan. Iiwasan ko lang tong edge ng drum.
Tapos mga sir.
Ayan. Just wipe off the excess. And then, parang mamansyahin mo na lang. You're dragging the paint while it's still wet here. Ayan.
Ang galing.
And okay na yan. Now to continue the rest, I'm going to use the same mixture. On some areas lang muna. So just drag it by the edge here. Anyway, may texture naman siya, so okay lang na lagyan mo ng kahit konti. Parang dinadab mo lang siya. And as you go here, we can use this ochre. Oops, too much ochre. Pag ganyan sobra, dagdagan mo na ng konting brown. Ayan. Make sure to dilute it with Camsol. And dab mo lang ng ganyan. Wipe off the excess. And then
Sir, Gamsol or medium?
medium. Medium na tayo. And then just nabanggit ko ba Gamsol? Sorry nalilito na rin.
Ay,
Ito ba sir ang ito yung medium, ito Gamsol. Dito yun yun nilagay eh.
Medium. Huling-huli ako sa video niya.
ang strict ng mga student.
Para makapag-remedial na tayo.
Yan. So, while we still have this color, gamitin ko na siya dito sa
Binabaan yung
shadow.
grade ko. Siya nang baba ko. Baba ng grade ko. Lahat sila Dinsley sa mga hindi.
Sino, sino?
Edwin.
Asan siya?
So, this part here,
Ata, yung ano niya,
May sarili siya.
yung brown,
architect. Oo.
yung brown natin, so dinagdagan ko lang ng konting viridian green, okay, for the shadow.
Ayaw na yun.
So, may pagka-greenish yung shadow niya rito. Okay. Just continue up here. Ayan. Actually, dito sa side na to, medyo abrupt na yung details niya. Ayan. And always keep everything soft edge. So same here, brown, red brown, viridian, green to make it a greenish shade of brown. Yan, yung mga ganyang sharp edge, medyo tone down natin para yung concentrate ng tao dito lang. Okay? Keep blending. Okay. Then as you go up here, may pagka olive green yung mga browns niya. So may konting ochres and greens tayong ihahalo. But for now, it's just this dark brown and viridian green. lalo dito sa area to.
Hindi ko malagpas na.
Okay.
Sana okay.
So wipe off the excess paint and then just drag it. Alam, parang minamansya mo na lang. Ayan. Okay. I think we can take a break muna. And then we can continue with the rest later on.
Grabe.